What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trick 10s. Today we have a boat here that is for sale. I don't know if you guys are interested in this. It's a pretty nice little rig though. It is a riveted hull. It's a 1999 Lund 1448. Now this thing has a really nice motor on it. The motor is a 2021 15 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Pretty sure it's 21, but it's basically brand new. It's got an hour meter on it. The hour meter only reads 29 hours, so this thing is been used very, very little. The trailer that it's on is gigantic. I really don't know why he has that giant trailer underneath this thing, but it is what it is. I'm thinking about getting a different trailer to put under it, or just selling it as is, maybe doing a little work on a build on it, selling the motor separate. I don't know. It's all possibilities. I got this thing for a good price. I saw it online and I was like, man, let me go check this out, because the motor only had 30 hours on it. And I was like, you know, that motor costs about $3,000 brand new, and it looks brand new underneath the cowling too. So it's a pretty cool little rig. Let's just get right into it. I'm gonna turn the camera on. I'm gonna let you guys check this thing out. All right, so check it out. It has a humongous trailer on it. I mean, the trailer is actually in really good shape. So, I mean, when I was thinking of, no one wants to buy it like this, I'm actually gonna take this trailer and sell this trailer. I mean, it's probably perfect for an 18 to 20 foot skiff or even a V-bottom boat. It's probably worth 1,500 bucks. I mean, it could easily sell for $1,000. It's in good shape. There's no rust on it. It's got good tires on it. And I mean, it's just, overall, it's a decent trailer. And trailers are hard to come by, especially good ones. And then I'll just buy, you know, a trailer for this. You can get a trailer for this 14-foot boat about 11 or 1,200 bucks locally, and then you got a brand new trailer. But check the boat out. Now, I was very shocked when I saw the condition that this Lund is in, because the paint on it looks phenomenal. I mean, it doesn't really have any scratches on it or anything. And then up underneath the bottom of it, it doesn't have a dent or a ding or a scratch or anything. I couldn't believe it. I mean, the paint that's on here, it's original paint, obviously, and it looks great. It's been used very little. The guy I got it from is the second owner, and he said that he's only taken this thing out a handful of times. He bought that motor. He's had this boat for about 5 years. I'm assuming the guy that he bought it from didn't ever use it either, because it looks like it's been garage kept. And that was really one of the only reasons that I bought it. I mean, this motor on here, I'm not really a humongous Yamaha guy, but considering that it still looks brand new, I mean, it has all the paint on the prop still, and it's just shining. I mean, it's literally brand new. So really cool motor. I mean, the 15 is gonna be pretty quick. It's a little heavy, but it is what it is. It's a very reliable motor, and the thing will last you your lifetime. So the boat itself on the interior is not bad. I mean, he has the thing set up to fish. It's not exactly a beautiful boat. I mean, he's put some type of EVA foam down here just on the bottom to give him some traction. And I mean, it works. I mean, this layout of this boat is pretty simple. You could build this out pretty easily. I mean, all the ribs are lower except for that one up in the front over here, but this could be a good project for somebody. But even so, the way it's set up, you could hit the water today and fish with it. He's got a seat in the back, seat in the front. This is a small live well. It's just gravity fed. Pretty simple. The Lowe's boats are very similar to that. And up here, he's put a piece of, it's like 1/16 or maybe 1/8 aluminum diamond plate just over his front area. I guess he just wanted to stiffen it up. It's not a bad idea. I mean, it looks kind of cool. He's got some cleats on here. And then on this side over here, he's got an anchor, and he actually did give me a trolling motor. It's not a bow mount trolling motor though. It's a clamp on one for the transom. But he's got a Yamaha gas can. It's a 6-gallon gas can, and it ran up the side over here, which I thought was pretty cool. And it runs into this water fuel separator right here, and then that runs up and into the engine. And that's a plus, because you don't really see a lot of water fuel separators on these smaller John boats, but pretty neat. I mean, I would probably get a 3-gallon tank and put it right here next to the motor, but that's how he had it set up, and I mean, it works fine. Now he's got 2 like gun cases in here. This one has a small battery, and that basically powers the side of this one. Pelican case here, he's just got a small Garmin graph in here, and you can just mount this right here. It's got the mount and everything already in there for it. So I mean, this thing is thought out. It is a purpose boat. I mean, it works. I don't really understand why he's got this giant antenna on here. Maybe he has a CB radio. It's not in the boat, so I'm assuming he might have kept that, but I would probably get rid of that. I don't know, these seats aren't terrible. They're seats, they work. I mean, if you just want to get out there and fish, you could take this thing out on the water today. I don't think you'd have any issues with it. I think you'd be perfectly fine. The only thing that I would really do to it is probably get a different trailer, because this trailer is way too wide and way too long. Now, he lived out in the country, so probably didn't give a shit about having this thing be big for him, because he had a gigantic yard to park it in. Well, where I'm at, this is not going to go through my gate very well. It's way too wide, so I would definitely get another trailer for it. But reality of it, if you just want to get out there and fish, well, you can do that the way it sits right now. And I don't think you would have any issues at all whatsoever. I did crank this motor up. It started immediately. It peed water strong. He just changed the impeller on it. He gave me the old impeller. He actually gave me the receipts from where he bought it, all the paperwork with it. That's how you know you're getting something that's worth a damn. When you go buy a boat from somebody and they hand you a packet of stuff, which is all the literature for everything in the boat, motors, titles, everything, well, they took care of it, and that's basically going to be a good deal for you if you got something like that for it. But all in all, if you wanted to build this thing out, it'd be very simple to take this back deck, drop a couple hatches in there, bring this all the way back. I'd probably do some side panels, just little gunnels up here, basically like catwalks to finish these two sides off, flat floor, and then I would bring this bench on up to this front deck. Very similar to the way I set up the low that we just did, the 1648, but this is a 1448 Lund, and to be completely honest with you, I think that this hull is probably better than the low. I mean, it just seems like it's a little bit heavier duty. The way that it's constructed, I mean, it is old. You got to think, this thing is a 99, so it's 26 years old. I think it looks better than the low. All the low boats that I've seen that are this age, you know, majority of them look like crap. Regardless, this one might just be a diamond in the rough because it's been kept up, but it is definitely a nice boat. No dents, no scratches, no dings. I mean, it's got a little bit of paint missing up here, but that's just normal stuff where it banged up against the dock. Other than that, I mean, the hull is in immaculate shape. Definitely could make somebody a cool boat as it sits if you just want to get out there and fish, or, you know, if you want to build it out, we can build it out. Look, it's obviously registered. This thing's ready to rock and roll. He's had it out there a couple times this year, and he just said he's just tired of paying for it because he's not using it, doesn't have time for it, and then made me a good deal on it, so I bought it. So if any of you guys are interested in this, this is for sale. I will part it out if you want to part it out, or I'll sell it to you as is, or we can get a different trailer, we can talk about a build, whatever floats your boat. All right, guys, so there it is, Lund 1448. Now, from time to time, I will pick up boats if I think it's a good deal, and if I think it's worth it and it's something that you guys might be interested in, then I'll pick it up. I think this is a good one. Obviously, it's a riveted hull. I'm not really a big fan of the riveted hulls, but when I saw the motor and I saw the shape that this hull was in, you know, I figured I would go and take a look at it. And once I got there, the hull is in immaculate shape. I mean, I think that it's probably the best 26-year-old riveted hull I've ever seen. It looks like it's brand new. The motor, I mean, there's nothing to say about it. It's basically a brand new motor. It's got 30 hours on it. The motor costs $3,000 brand new, and I mean, it's a Yamaha, so you know it's gonna last forever. Anyways, if you guys are interested in this boat, leave a comment, hit me up. You can reach me at trick10s@gmail.com. You can send me a message on Instagram or Facebook, TikTok, whatever makes you happy. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like, subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this rig. We'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go back to work.